It will sometimes happen that you need to open more than one file at once. And to achieve that, Vim offers the possibility to split the current window into separate panes either vertically or horizontally. The commands that allows us to do so are sp for horizontal split and vsp for vertical split. From here, several actions can be performed upon the splitted panes that use all the same base command, which is Ctrl and W. To navigate between panes, for example, use this base command followed by an arrow key left or right. Here's a quick summary of the available actions that can be performed upon these panes. You can, for example, increase or decrease the pane's width using chevrons, the pane's height using plus or minus, or equalize all of them at once using equal. Now, by default, when splitting the current window, Vim will reopen the same file we are currently working on. To open another file instead, we can use the edit command in the desired pane, followed by the name of the file we want to open. And by the way, to know which window is active, just follow the cursor. In the next and final lecture of this part on Vim, we'll see how we can customize your text editor to make it more user-friendly by adding colors, line numbers, and much more.